Record this. Now, say order 2 to the power 3. Index means same. This is index. We call index. 2 is called base. You can write down an example, right? Say, can you give me an example for order? I gave 2 to the power 3. Can you tell me anything?
Well, we don't learn power at school.
It's like 4 to the power 2. See? Then 2 is index or order, right? 4 is base. Maybe 3 to the power 10. This is order, right? Then first one I say bracket, right? 2 times, 2 bracket, 3 times 3 plus 6. Right, this example. Can you write down this? And the D is division. And M is multiplication. A is addition. S is subtraction. Right? Bit mass also same. Bracket, index, division, multiplication, addition, subtract. Then if you have like this question, one side, say this side operation. Sorry, did you write the BODMAS meaning?
Yeah.
All right, BODMAS. Now, there's no bracket here, right?
Yeah.
And there's no order. There's no power anything, 2 to the power 3 or 3 to the power 10, no. Division, D, right? Yes, here one division, right?
Mm-hmm.
And next multiplication. It is here, right? Right. Now, addition, your addition, you are subtracting. It is this side. You don't worry about this side. Now, question is which operation we do first, right? When you come to BODMAS, you can write bomb dash, right? This also can you write down. That means both are same, right? Only thing is M come front, D go out. That means this operation you do whatever come first from this side. That means here multiplication M. M come first, right? Division come second. Then you have to do the first this operation. Second this operation. Addition is after that. Either M or either D after A. Then what do you mean? Now, first you have to do this part. Multiplication M. Right? Second you do this part. That's mean you are not doing this triangle is a number. You don't do the plus first. Right? I will give you a few example right down. 2 times 10 plus 8 divided by 2. Right?
24.
Yeah. First do the multiplication. 20 and 8 divided by 2, 24. Good job. Now I do again, 10. I change number. 10 divided by 2. 8 multiple 4. Before that, I change a little bit. Okay. 20 times 2, 8 divided by 2. Can you write down in your book? Can you find the answer?
44.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're right. Do the BODMAS, huh?
Okay.
First, BODMAS or BOMDAS, doesn't matter. Whatever come M and D first. BODMAS or BOMDAS. If you apply this one, what is the answer? Are you doing plus, the division or multiplication first?
Multiplication.
Yeah, use this one. Because whatever you are working from this side, you find multiplication, yeah, that is first. Then 20 times 2, 40. Plus mark we deal with later. 8 divided by 2. This is second operation, right? This one. 4. 44. But some students, what they do is, they leave the 20 and they add this together. That's mean 20, that is wrong. Multiple, 8, 2 plus 8, 10. Divided by
100.
200, yeah, 100. That is not correct. Right? Can you write down this one in your book? And this is wrong. Cross mark. Right? Because addition is last. BODMAS, BOMDAS, BIDMAS. Now we apply the same rule here. You can't do the plus first. Then you're going to find the value for triangle. And but you have to do the operation first, multiplication and division after that. What do you do? The numbers you're going to put same. You are putting one number here and try putting this style. Then you find the triangle. But you don't need to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because they have given the answers here. See here. Then you can do trial and error method. Because this one gave a decimal, maybe it can be right, but get the easy number here, like 12, and put it here. And put it here. Check it is right. Correct?
It can't be 12 because 5 times 12 would be 60, and the answer is 48 minus something.
12 times, yeah. Can you work out on your book now?
Okay.
Now, yeah, you got idea, right? BODMAS, you are clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's too small or?
No, I can see. It's D.
D, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I just check. 5 times 7, and here's 7. 5 times 7, 35. Plus, I don't add 12 here. 12 divided by 2, 6. 41. Yeah, this one minus 41. Yeah, that's good. Now, use that operation. We go for the next one. Huh? Next one, clock and angle. You know what is the angle of a circle?
Yeah, 360 degrees.
Yes. Using that and the fraction. You have to use fraction. You're going to find the angle between hands clock 125.